shortcut of going to park. Park, yeah? Shortcut. So here, all the malls. You talk, huh? You talk. You are my interpreter now.
Hi,
She's
saya orang Indonesia.
Yeah, she's Indonesian. Yeah, you can speak Indonesia, and then I will give this to you also.
Puji
video.
Tuhan, praise the Lord.
Puji Tuhan.
Praise the Lord.
Oh, what else?
Happy Lord's Day, selamat Hari Tuhan.
Selamat
Hari-hari.
Selamat
Tuhan.
Hari Tuhan. Happy Lord's Day. Then what else?
Then,
So cute, ha? Ang cute niya. How old are children?
6
She have
years.
already 2 children. Two children. Oh, they are decorated already. Christmas decoration in this mall. Okay, take picture. Smile.
Smile.
Oh, there. How about you? You want? We too. This one is video and then picture. Again. Smile. You want to go there? No, I don't like it. Christmas is not good.
Dinosaurs.
Christmas decoration is not good for us. For us,
We are not celebrating.
yeah, actually we are not celebrating that. So, what else? Speak up. Another here. Smile. Bang.
Puyan Okong Tuwan.
What's that? How to say I love you in Mandarin? In Malaysia? How to say I love you in Malaysia?
Aku mencintaimu. Aku cinta kamu.
Aku cinta kamu. Punta kami sa park. Kasi may dala kaming baon. We have our food and then we will eat there in the park. Because in the meeting hall is not yet allowed to eat there. To have big lunch there. Yeah, since the COVID is still there. Tiis-tiis muna tayo. We are here on highway. Going there. You talk,
I want to be a YouTuber, but
yeah, I will teach you. Yeah, it's good for you, because you always go anywhere lang. He loves to go anywhere. He's like a Dora the Explorer. Before the Lord's Day meeting, we saw her post on the FB. Oh, what's this? What's this place? I wonder. Oh, it's very far. This one. And then how come she go there? Bye bye. Say bye bye.